These adorable flower earring look store-bought, but I made them myself. Let me show you how. I made them using an already made flower embellishments, earring posts, strong adhesive, and a few simple tools. I loved these flower pieces because they already come in beautiful pastel colors that are perfect for children's jewelry. I prepared the back of each flower and carefully attached the earring posts using a strong adhesive. I made sure each post was positioned in the center so the earrings would sit properly when worn. After attaching all the posts, I left them to dry completely. This step is important because it helps the earrings stay secure and durable. So while waiting for the glue to dry, I took a moment to inspect each earring and made sure everything was aligned properly. This is one of those small details that can make a big difference in the final result. I also checked that the flower embellishments were firmly attached and that there wasn't any excess glue showing around the edges. A clean finish always make handmade jewelry look more professional. One thing I love about making earrings like this is that they are simple but they still look beautiful and eye-catching. By mixing different flowers or colors, you can create so many unique combinations. You can make them to match a child's favorite outfit, a special occasion, or even a birthday theme. So these earrings are also a great option if you are looking for an easy beginner friendly jewelry. You don't need complicated tools or advanced skills to create something cute and wearable. So once everything was dried, the earrings were ready. I absolutely love how cute and colorful they turned out. They are lightweight, friendly, like kid friendly, and make wonderful handmade. For those of you that want like to start up a small business, you can actually start from here. This is a very nice DIY to do that you can earn from. I hope you have learned something cute. Which color is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY jewelry tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you some other time. Bye bye.